Oh dear. Crush it. There's nothing better than experiencing firsthand the process of stump grinding with the green-tech Piranha Stump Grinder. With its exceptional power, the machine effortlessly handles even the most stubborn stumps with precision, delivering efficiency and smooth operation. Seeing the machine's power in action is truly impressive. Nothing gets the job done more effectively than using the Westech Woodcracker G Series for forestry operations. This powerful root rake is ideal for preparing cut lines and handling material on the forest floor. With its flexible hydraulic grapple, the machine easily rakes up roots, optimizing the harvesting process and ensuring efficient performance in all conditions. Wow, I'm truly impressed by the power of the 1270G MS462 in the world of machinery. Despite its compact design, this machine packs a powerful engine and outstanding performance, making light work of even the toughest logging tasks. It's truly impressive to witness the Komatsu 901XC paired with the C93 head taking on large hardwood trees with power and precision. With its agile performance, the machine operates smoothly even in dense forest terrain, delivering high productivity and unmatched reliability. With its modern and powerful design, the Kingwell Moorbark HT1684 Predator 500 horsepower brush cutter is a high-capacity machine built for efficient operation with a 500 horsepower engine. Its rugged build and sharp cutting blades make quick work of thick brush and small trees, making it ideal for large-scale forestry and agricultural operations. Equipped with a powerful engine, the CNC Equipment Bobcat T190 wood splitter, paired with a wheel loader, forms a flexible and efficient processing unit. Its durable operating system makes it perfect for logging and handling heavy materials. Drop a comment and leave a like if you're a fan of this beast of a machine.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
With overwhelming power, the massive wheel loader charges at the giant thorny tree, ripping the entire root cluster from the ground like a beast awakened. The engine roars, the machinery thunders in motion, showing sheer force in every push and every lift. Thanks to its modern design and excellent adaptability, the John Deere 1110 e-forwarder operates efficiently even in wet conditions. Powered by a 6-cylinder, 170-horsepower engine and built with a high payload capacity, it ensures fast, durable, and high-performance timber transport. In extremely harsh muddy conditions, the John Deere 1110D harvester, despite its powerful engine, found itself stuck in the challenging terrain. Even with high horsepower, the deep, slippery mud proved tough on the drivetrain, making it difficult for the machine to escape the bog. Have you ever imagined a chainsaw powerful enough to take down massive trees? The Steel MS-462 with its 6.0 HP engine is the answer. Its lightweight design and sharp cutting chain deliver high performance, making it perfect for professional forestry work. Built to tackle the harshest challenges, the Extreme Skidder LKT-81 with its powerful engine can haul massive logs across difficult terrain. Its flexible and durable drivetrain allows it to easily navigate deep snow and muddy ground. Wow, the LKT-81T looks like it's about to pop a wheelie while hauling an overload of 20 cubic meters of wood. With its powerful engine and rugged design, the machine easily handles large loads, even in tough conditions. Its robust drivetrain conquers any challenge that comes its way. Nothing compares to the power and performance of Easton-made. This is the best firewood processor ever, featuring a powerful engine and an optimized hydraulic system. It operates quickly and efficiently, maximizing productivity in firewood processing. Witness the power of the Steel MS400 with its 42-inch bar and 8-pin rim, and you'll see how effortlessly it cuts through massive logs. The powerful engine paired with a sharp chain ensures fast, efficient cuts, making it ideal for heavy-duty forestry work. When it comes to power and efficiency in forestry work, Ace Tree Management easily fells large cedar trunks. Equipped with a powerful engine and a precise cutting system, the machine tackles tough jobs quickly and efficiently, delivering high productivity in any condition. The Skid Pro Skid Steer Extreme Duty Mower is equipped with a powerful engine and a rugged design, making it highly effective at tackling thick grass and small trees in any condition. With its sharp cutting blades, the machine delivers high performance and exceptional durability, making it ideal for heavy-duty work. When efficiency and durability are required for reforestation work, the CAT 259D combined with the FE 150 mulcher creates high-quality forest cover. The powerful engine ensures the machine operates reliably, quickly handling soil, vegetation, and trees to deliver high performance. Have you ever searched for a powerful, fuel-efficient mower? The Deere 843K offers a strong engine, fuel efficiency, and fast processing speed. Owners are fully satisfied with the machine's power, making it more than capable of performing thinning and timber harvesting operations efficiently. With exceptional capabilities in wood handling, the Cinnabogan 735E pick and carry timber handler, equipped with a powerful engine and flexible design, is the ideal tool for sawmills. Its precise lifting and crane system makes it easy to move and stack timber, optimizing productivity. Thanks to its optimized design and exceptional power, the 844XL chassis paired with the Binderberger Gigant 30Z sawmill provides outstanding durability and performance. With its powerful engine and sharp cutting blades, the sawmill efficiently processes large logs, optimizing the work process.